Welcome to the channel. It's AG. My name is Asutosh Chandra, and today I'll be solving a cloze test for you. On the screen with green background, we have a cloze test, a small paragraph that contains 6 blank spaces, and all these spaces have to be filled with appropriate words. Those words will appear in your options. These are the options for first 3 blank spaces. So let's start solving the passage or the cloze test. Let me take the pen so that it will be easier for me to make you understand. Yes. Now, the social dash of web lifestyle and work style are enormous. What is the meaning of enormous? This is a word which means huge, immense, or extremely large. Social dash of web lifestyle and work style. Now, we have a clue here. By the help of our grammatical skill, we will be able to solve it easily. Now, you raise a question over this part of the sentence. Ask a question. What are enormous? Because the answer of what the answer of what will appear at this place. According to the subject verb agreement, if you have any idea about subject verb agreement, the subject of this verb, auxiliary verb are, will appear here. You can raise the question again. I will say, try to raise question in such kind of sentence over the WH word. It will give you an idea about the subject that will come for this helping verb, and that subject will be the answer. So as you can see, what are, since it's plural verb, so this what has to be plural in form. So from among the given option, we can eliminate easily. This is singular form. This is also singular form. We can eliminate both these options easily. Now we are left with the 3 options that are options that are plural in nature. All these options are, of course, noun, because the social, it's an adjective. It has to be followed by a noun. So these are the words that are noun, and because of this helping verb are, we have eliminated 2 options, and now we have to pick up the appropriate option from among these 3. The social groups, social needs of web lifestyle and work style are enormous. Social implications. What is the meaning of implication? Implication means kind of effect or result of any action. So if you comprehend the meaning of the sentence, what the author is talking about, author is talking about the social implication of web lifestyle and work style. Author is talking about what will be the social implications or social result or social effect of web lifestyle and work style. So I will go with the option implications. These are the options that are out of context. A lot of people dash that computers and the internet will depersonalize experience, creating a world that is less warm. So the people have a kind of thought or pre-notion about computers and internet. They have a kind of either negativity or positivity about the use of computers and internet. But since there is a word depersonalize, will depersonalize experience, it is giving a negative sense. It is giving a sense of negativity. So it will give an idea for picking up the option. People accept that computer and internet will depersonalize. People dare. There is nothing to dare about. People fear. Of course, this option can be considered. People propose. There is nothing to propose. People reject that computers and internet will depersonalize. Since this word is giving a feeling of negativity, and from the previous and this sentence reading combinedly, you can reject this option. Reject. You can eliminate this option because people do not reject any kind of fear. They have a kind of fear or apprehension in their mind, and that is a negativity about the use of about the web lifestyle that the society is developing. So the appropriate word will be fear, and this will also be clear. Sometimes we need to read the next sentence before deciding on any option. So it will give you an idea once you read and the next sentence also. But these are unfounded. These are unfounded means baseless. It means baseless means not based on any fact. But these are unfounded. It means the apprehension or the fear that the people have, these fears and these apprehensions are unfounded, as we know that some people were afraid that the telephone would reduce face-to-face connect. The similar condition has been, the similarity has been drawn between use of telephone, later came internet and computer. So the author has drawn comparison between the use of telephone and use of computer and internet. It says that as initially people were afraid of using telephone, they have similar kind of apprehension, they have similar kind of fear of using telephone. So let's see the options that we have. Strongly, initially, always, never. So people were strongly afraid that telephone would, always afraid that telephone would, never afraid that telephone would, initially afraid that telephone would, or possibly afraid that. No, there is no sense of possibility. It's clearly that people were afraid, just as now they are afraid of using computer and internet. In the same way they were afraid of using telephone. So definitely what happens when anything comes into existence, we have a kind of fear in our mind. We have a kind of apprehension of adopting new technology in our society, in our social life. So the same was applicable with the use of telephone also. So the correct option will be initially. It means when telephone came into existence, initially people have a kind of apprehension. They were afraid that that telephone would reduce face-to-face connect, just as now they are afraid of using computer and internet. So moving on to the next option, let's take the option first. These are the options. And will dash society to fall apart. What is the meaning of the word fall apart? It's basically a phrasal verb. It means to be in a bad condition. So telephone, initially they had apprehension that telephone would reduce face-to-face connect and will dash society to fall apart. Here are some words. This word will not be here. There are some words that the meaning of which you should know. Decay means to be destroyed gradually, slowly. If something destroyed gradually, slowly, we say that it's decaying. Develop, it's a very common word. Cause, it's a noun as well as a verb also. Cause means a cause, or cause means to cause something to happen. Destroy. So contact will destroy society fall apart, no. Decay, develop, cause. So the use of telephone, they had initially apprehension that they were afraid that the use of telephone would reduce face-to-face connect and will cause society to fall apart. It means it will cause the society's condition to be very bad. This is the appropriate answer. Develop, this word is not appropriate for this place. These are the common words, and these words are used at large level. But the dash actually came to. Now look at this word but. Whenever we use but is a connector that always connects to two different or two sentences that are contrast in nature, that have the sentences that have different point of views. So till now the paragraph have discussed the negativity about the use of computer, internet, and the negativity about the use of telephone that the people have in their mind. Now from here onwards, from this point onwards, the paragraph has took a U-turn because of this word but. It will completely change the direction of the paragraph. But the dash actually came to. It means till now what we have discussed, the next sentence will be completely in contrast with our discussion or the what we have read till now. But the dash actually came true. The sentence coming here will be, but the opposite actually came true, but the finding meaningless. Different came true, or negative came true actually come. Since they were already talking about negativity, so this option will not be here. But the opposite or different actually came true. So from among these two options, we have to pick, but the opposite actually came true, not different. Just as phone and email have increased contact between people living in different communities and between people on the go, the PC and internet. So again, there is a, just as phone and email have increased contact between people living in different communities and between people on the go, the PC and the internet give us dash way to communicate. These are the options. Many word will not come here because many is an adjective. It's always followed by a plural form of noun, and here we can see this is singular in form. So we will remove this option. Cheaper and economical. There is no discussion of economical aspect or the monetary aspect of these inventions or these things. So we will not go for these options as well. Now we are left with two options, another and second. So from among these two words, another and second, the appropriate word is another. Since we already had contact with the people, we are communicating with the people. So the use of internet, the use of PC and telephone, it gave us another way of communication. They do not take any away. So let's move to the next part of the paragraph. These are the options. In reality, the ability to use the internet to redefine. 1 minute, let me take the pen. In reality, the ability to use the internet to redefine dash in our communities is strengthening. Since the last sentence where I told you about use of connector, but the sentence has taken a U-turn. The paragraph has taken a U-turn. Now it's talking about what the benefits and what are the positive aspect of using this modern technology. So accordingly, we have to comprehend the meaning and pick the appropriate word. The ability to use the internet to redefine. It means ability to use the internet to redefine what? Groups, ethics, culture, bonds, and boundaries. If you look at these two options, bonds and boundaries, they are the words in the present context. In the present context, what we are reading the paragraph, according to the present context, these words are related in a contrast way. Bonds means it's a positive words. According to the present context of the paragraph I am talking about, boundaries, it is giving a sense of differentiation. It's giving a sense of division. Bonds, it's giving a sense of connectivity in a positive way. So the ability to use internet to redefine groups ethics culture in our community. No, they are not redefining groups ethics or culture. They are redefining either boundaries or bonds. So as per the meaning of the paragraph till now, we have understood that these things are actually strengthening the bond among the people, among the communities or different groups in the communities. So this will be the appropriate answer. Community redefine bonds in our communities and strengthening personal and cultural distances, connections. So they are not strengthening distances, they are weakening the distances. They are strengthening connections. They are not strengthening differences. Differences and distances both are the similar words. Implications, it's out of context for this sentence. The web in our community is strengthening personal and cultural connections. This is the appropriate word. This is the out of context for this sentence and it's irrelevant. The web lifestyle is about broadening. Broadening means to make something broader. Broadening dash. The web lifestyle is about broadening horizons. Values, it is not talking anything about values, not talking about nations. It's talking about the communities and inside the community, whatever is going on. Means out of context, nothing. It has nothing to do with the meaning of the sentence. Horizons. This is the appropriate word. Horizon means a place. If you look towards the sky, you will find a place where sky and land seem to meet, or the place where a sky seem to meet to earth, the earth. That is called horizon, and it is a literary. It's used in literary terms, literature, and for giving a literary touch to the sentence, it's used. So broadening the horizon, not narrowing them. Community building is going to be one of the biggest growth areas on the web. It dramatically increases the number of communities you can bond to. It again, look at the sentence. Here it is talking about bonding. And dramatically increases the number of communities you can bond to because of its ability to dash groups of like-minded. So again, here the word that will appear here will be of positive nature. So what the word can come here? To ability to reduce the groups of like-minded? No. Focus, it's not giving appropriate meaning. Prepare, connect, or develop. These are the two words which we need to consider and pick one from among them. It dramatically increases the number of communities you can bond to because of its ability to what? To connect groups of like-minded people, or like-minded people, or ability to develop groups of like-minded people independent of geographic and time zone. It means there will be no geographical boundaries, no time zone boundary. So it gives us a ability to create groups, not to connect, because first group has to be created, then it will be connected. So the appropriate word is develop. I hope you would have understood what I tried to make you understand. If you like this discussion, kindly subscribe to the channel and Thank you for watching the video.